And today we are going to explore one of the AI tools called TestRigor. So this is an AI tool that would create test steps based on our English language. So basically, if we can create automation test scripts just by using plain English language. So let's dive in. So this is how you can create your free account. You just have to sign up and you can use your first name, last name, and your personal email address and some company name randomly to get this 14-day trial period. So I have already subscribed it and I have registered it. So this is how the user interface will look like once you have successfully signed up to the TestRigor tool. So so let's see how we can use this and we can automate test cases. This is how the dashboard will look, and you can see that we can create our test suite and type of testing and the URLs to run test, and if at all if it needs some username or password and which OS you need to run, is it Ubuntu and which browser, and how many test cases we need to generate using AI, and description for the application of AI test generation. So this is how we can create our own test and also run it. We basically ask TestRigor to look into our application or our website and create all possible test case scenarios. So let me explain you with a demo. So first of all, I have already created one sample web page. So let me create another test suite. Let's say student portal. Okay, and the type of testing, let it be desktop web, and URL, I have just found this practice URL. So basically this is just a login page to practice it, and let me pass this there as a URL which we are trying to test. Username, let us give the correct username and see how it works. So the username will be student and the password will be capital password 123. So let me just quickly give that, and the OS will be, let it be Ubuntu, or let me change it to OXX. Yeah, so browser will be Chrome. Let me say I want to create 3 test cases using the with help of AI. This is just a description about your test suite. This is a student login portal page. Okay, so let's keep the accessibility info fully, and then let me just click create a suite. So this will automatically create the test suite, and see here we are getting 3 suggestions: verify successful login with valid credentials, and the redirection to the student dashboard, verify error message display when attempting login with invalid credentials, verify password reset functionality, and successful login with invalid password. That's cool, right? We did not give any input or any requirement. It just went through the website and created its own test cases. We actually, this looks good, but we do have an option to regenerate or edit or remove if we don't want it. And let me just click add and build. So this is going to quickly create an AI based test cases and also run them. So it is in queue, it is running. You can see here that it's in queue and it is running. Let's just wait for a minute and it should be done. But it's cool, right? So actually today is the first time I am exploring this tool as well. So the purpose of our channel is to explore new AI tools, uh, not pre let's say not pre-explored ones. It's just I'm going with the flow. I'm exploring some random AI tools which are famous, by the way. So this is the first time I'm also using this interface, and I am pretty much liking it, because we spend a lot of resources in our company to create a test suite, to write test cases, to come up with the logic, to verify what are the scenarios, and then we review it, get QA's input on it, then we finalize, and then we move it to the manual team, then the team executes it, and then they find bugs, or let's say they spend some time on it. Later those test cases will be identified for automation, and then the automation team will pick up the cases. They will use many locators and say whatever. They might go Selenium. If they go for Selenium, they are going to inspect it, look for the username, look for the password. They have to come up with a framework, Selenium PyTest or whatever it is. They have to come up with a new framework, and then let's say after a few days, the developer decides to change the locator or something else. Again, it becomes a maintenance, and new Jiras were raised for script issues, and then again developer has to, sorry, the automation tester or the person who is working on automating test case has to fix those maintenance. And then this is the process that is going on in the company, right? If you are working as a QA or STET, you would already know it. So this is how it works. But this tool is completely eliminating all the levels of process we follow in the company. Typically, only the basic thing we give is here the website or whatever the thing we want to test, and then it quickly goes through it, finds all the possible scenarios, and picks up the cases, and it also runs them for us and gives us a result. That's cool, really cool. So we have to get familiar with these tools. There is no way. I know AI is ramping up like anything, and it's just a matter of time that we start using these tools or we incorporate it in our companies. So that's the whole purpose of this channel, is to explore the videos like this, and give you an input on how these AI tools work, and what we should be ready, and how we should be ready to work with these tools. Okay, I think I spoke a lot, but yeah, let's see how this goes. And if you have any suggestions, like any tools you want to explore or you have heard of but not tried exploring it, let me know in the comments so that I can pick them up in my upcoming videos, and you know, I can explore those tools, or we can explore it live on, we can explore those tools, and you know, we can understand how it works. So what's happening here is that it's still running. The test cases are executed, so estimated time left is 11 minutes. So that's gonna be taking some time. So let me just wait. We have 2 minutes left for the test cases to run, and as you can see here, you can also see the images, right? See here, so verify error message display when attempting to log in. So this is what it is doing. It gives us a clear picture. Not only it gives us a result of pass or fail, it also gives us the picture of the steps. So it has entered a wrong email address and tried to sign in, and again, step by step it has done it, and we can see that it is still running, but still we can see the clear picture here, right? So this is how the TestRigor works. It's actually running the test case in a browser and remote. And if you want to click more details, you can get the more details here. You can also collapse it. If you want to check the image, you can check it, and you also get this cool timestamp as well. So you know exactly when this image has been taken, at what time and what date. That's cool, really. It gives you a lot of information. And not only, it's pretty much the framework any organization would look for. So apart from this, these cases, they are still in queue. So it's running one by one. So we have actually initiated 3 test cases. So this is going on multiple steps. Yes. Okay, what it has done here, student username is invalid. invalid. Okay, no password. Okay, let's wait few more minutes and see how this ends. So, okay, it went to another 14 minutes now. I think that is concerning. It's time estimation. But let's see. I'll let you know the overall time it takes to, you know, finish this three test execution, because that is also important, so that we don't get stuck on this forever. Let's wait. Okay, so the test suite we created three test cases, right? So what happened is that when I tried to wait for the results to come up, it was keeping on running. So it was keep on running. I think it's because the test cases were actually failing, because it is actually a demo website. It is some of the steps were failing, so that is the reason it was keep on going for retest, and it took a lot of time. So what I did is I just cancelled all the test cases in this suite, but I just created a new suite right earlier. So I just went to that test suite sample web page, same page, but I just added one more basic test case right now and just initiated it, and you can see the test case has been passed. So it's actually, this tool is very useful, because it gives you an option to look into the results, what went wrong and what is good. So you can see the screenshots and everything here, and it's also customizable. You can edit it. You can add labels. For example, I can add a P0 label to it. So next time when I want to run P0 cases, I can just pull out the labels. I can filter it out and run it. I can also filter out all the statuses, past cases. So what are the failed cases? We also have an advanced option to, you can go by error, you can go by you created by person, and you can apply and you can do that. Then you also have the option to download the reports. So that is pretty much what we need, right? We need the reports as well for stakeholders. So you can also download it as a PDF, and if there are any errors that you can see here, but there are nothing errors. And we have the test cases separately maintained here. Whenever we want to run, we can run. If we want to add test case, you can click here, check password field, something like that you can give it, and you can click on generate sample test using AI, or you can also go ahead and type your test cases here in plain English language, and if you click add and run, it is going to, you know just add and run. Okay, missing reference to an element. Check if the password field is visible and accessible. Check if the password field is visible and accessible. Okay, I think we need to add the element here, basically locate password field on the page. But yeah, let's keep it simple. Let's remove this. Just keep locate password field on the page, add and run. So navigate to login page. What should we do? Issue unrecognized command, create AI based rules, update and retest. So there we go. So again, we are going to click navigate to login and registration page, and it is opening the first page. So it's basically whatever input you give as a text, it is going to convert into test steps, and it is going to execute the test case. So my review on this tool is that it's quite wonderful actually, but there are areas which we still need to get used to. Like for example, creating a test case, we need to understand what we are going to. So it involves a little bit of knowledge transfer as well, but you can explore this tool. You will have a free 14-day trials. You can clearly explore it out and see how it is helpful for you. Will it be useful for your project? You can take it to your manager or whoever it is if you think so, if it is useful. And if not, you can just explore it. You can know that there is a tool like this which is in our hands to utilize it. So that is the whole purpose of me doing this video. And I hope this was useful, this was helpful. If you have any doubts or any concerns, please let me know in the comment section, and I would like to address all of those in the second video of the same tool if needed. So because this is the first time I am exploring as well, and it's quite good. I wouldn't say it is better, it is the best out there, but it's pretty much good. We can clearly explore it and we can use it because it has clear labels which we use in our other testing tools. So every field is available here, and it is also well organized, right? Because test suite is created separately, and each test suite has, we can go ahead and create separate test cases, and you have the test suite dashboard here. So that's it, I guess. I hope this video was useful. So let me know if you feel that there are some parts which I should let you know uh, deeply, and if you want any information about anything where in these new tools we discuss, please let me know in the comment section. Also, to get notified, please subscribe and click on the notification bell icon to get the new videos. Thank you so much for listening to my video, and this means a lot. Thank you.